It's not politically
Dude, I was
correct.
just picturing that scene with Vince Vaughn yesterday. Get out of my
Right?
head.
Y'all wanted to say it yesterday. Make me a bicycle clown.
Coach, that's your fault. I wouldn't even know about that if you had made us watch Wedding Crashers.
Oh, isn't that one of the greatest
It
films ever
is.
That's
made?
one of my favorite movies.
Yes. Yes, you motorboating son of a bitch.
That's what you just sounded like.
That's awesome.
You can stay here with Sybil. I'm out.
I'll find you.
While you were playing footsies under the table, I was getting.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, watch it. We're live. Everybody be cool.
My bad.
Yeah. All right, here we go. Here we go. Posting that there. Oops. Thank you, Miranda. I see you've already done that. Nice. Thank you. There we go. Thank you. Appreciate you. All right, there we go. We are now live over on Twitch. Thank you. Let me pop this chat out. By the way, I may or may not, damn it, be here tomorrow. I don't know. I told my wife jokingly that I was going to take tomorrow off. This is how much my wife loves me. Are you ready for this? Do you know what she said? Well, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do that for?
Oh, wow. You?
Right, like, well, and I went, well, I was like, you're right. What do I need a day off for? I'm like, well, that's...
Yeah, that's like, get down, make that money.
Yeah, exactly. I'm like, well, that's awful dumb of me.
But now you put it out there, Coach. So
yeah. So now I'm putting it out there that I'm probably going to, so that I will force myself to, and that's the end of that bullshit. But yeah, I probably will. The more I think about it, the more I'm like, yeah, dude, why not? Take a damn day off. You're all right. You'll be all right.
Yeah, take a long weekend, man.
Exactly.
Hey, Coach, you're going to be off Monday anyway.
That's right. That's why I figure if I take it off, I'll have 4 days. Woo!
Coach, get some sleep.
Yeah, Coach, go ahead and take Monday off.
Hey, thanks a lot, you guys. I really appreciate it. I appreciate what you guys are doing for me there. Thank you so much.
What do people do with their days off?
Chart. Think about trading.
Trade.
Yeah.
Paper trade
videos.
We're gonna need 2 homework assignments.
We'll be over in the aftermarket.
Watch videos.
We'll be watching movies with Dawn.
Sorry, your vacation request has been denied, and we're senior employee and already requested that day off.
Nope.
Watch party.
Damn it.
We're going to take long walks on Monday, looking forward to Tuesday.
Yeah, exactly. We'll just be dreaming about Tuesday. All right. Thank you guys for being here. Let's go ahead and get this show started. Thank you, everybody. Thank you to Bruno, Carter, Lee, Don, Paul at the beach, Miranda, Johan, and Happily Housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke, Sidewalker, Kaizen, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McSee. Thank you guys so much for being here. I got 2 hands up. Let me get through these real quick. Just so we can make sure there's not an emergency or something's going on. Mark, go ahead.
I'll message you later. I was just asking about the mastermind class. I didn't know what that was.
The mastermind class is March 6th at 4:30. Did I say that right, everybody?
How do you sign up for it?
If you go to AmericanDreamTrading.com, you will see mastermind classes listed there. For everybody interested in the mastermind class, by the way, we do have one coming up. It is how to grow your small account. This one's going to blow your mind. This is a 90-minute full Q&A. We're going to go over a lot of information, so make sure you get sleepy sleep the day before. If you are not able to attend, don't worry. We will record it for those that have paid for the class. If you are a VIP Gold member, again, if you are a VIP Gold member, you get all of the mastermind classes for free. So again, VIP Gold members, absolutely free, every mastermind class that we put on. All right, real quick, I want to thank all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every single day. Special shout out to my son in the Air Force, going on 8 years now. Thank you, buddy. Thank you to all of our first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me. All my truck drivers around the world. There it is. Thank you.
Hell yeah, let's roll, y'all.
There it is. See, now we can get this party started. This party does not start until my truckers honk the horn. I'll tell you that.
Coach, I think we've got a special guest here that wants to say something to you.
Yeah, you're gonna want to take that hand.
Let him know. Let him know.
Hey, Coach, good morning.
Hey, there he is. What's up, Freddie?
Hey, sorry I couldn't hard today because I sent my truck already, and I'm gonna be here every day with you guys. And thank you for everything you do. I really appreciate it. I feel thankful for being part of the group. From now on, I'm gonna be here every day. So I retired from my truck driving job.
Oh,
retire!
Whoa!
So I really thank you for everything. Thank to all the group for letting me be part of this. I really thank you, man. I don't know what else to say. I don't know how to
We love you, Freddie.
Freddie, holy crap. Congratulations to the rest of your life and welcome to
Go,
retirement.
Freddie.
Hell
Thank you,
yes.
Let's get the cheers for Freddie, man.
Good job, Freddie.
Wow.
Big amigo, Uncle Albert.
Congrats.
Wow.
Soundbite, man. Where's the soundbite with the cheers?
That is amazing.
Felicidades, Freddy.
Yeah.
Freddie.
Thank you, guys.
Wow.
You're the best, Freddie.
Wow.
We need a 21 truck salute.
That is
We even
awesome.
got a dog bark.
Hey, let's do that real quick. Hey, truckers. Who are my truckers out here? Let's open up these horns, man. Let's send them the right way. Get them horns going.
Yeah.
Yes.
Car horns too.
Thank you. Yes. Yes.
Thank you, guys.
That is awesome.
And he pulled over now.
Holy crap, Freddie. Look at that. Another person.
Way to go,
retired.
Freddie.
Thank you, guys.
That is
I just only hope that everybody can do the same. Be here every day. With you guys is I think in the last time is one of the most important thing I've even done. I thank to God for let me find you and let me find this group and be part of it. For be model, I get my lifetime VIP because I was a yearly when you opened last time, so now it's for her. Thank you, guys.
That is awesome. Thank you, Freddie. That is incredible, my friend.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Welcome to the club.
Yeah, that's beautiful. Yeah, there's another retired person. I always talk about 65 because I'm not kidding. We lost count. It was like in November. I think since November we've had at least 10 people retire, and I'm not exaggerating. We do this all the time. This is what this was designed for. This is seriously, and I know I'm going to take some time here, but I'm telling you, this is the American dream, right? This is what we're doing in here. I'm serious. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what you're doing now. I don't care what your background is. I don't care if you've never heard of the stock market before. You've come to the right place. This is what we do on a consistent daily basis, is changing lives by people helping people. So thank you to all my moderators that made this possible for Freddie. Thank you to all of you for supporting and encouraging him and being the light and helping him when he had questions. This all goes out to all of you here at American Dream Trading. You guys all made this possible for Freddie. This is all from you guys. Thank you so much for being who you are and doing what you do every day. Love it. Hold on one second.
Now go short Jamie Hunt to hell, Freddie.
Hey, Freddie.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Is it okay if we make a video out of that? We don't have your last name or anything in there, but I'd love for Carter to make
I don't care.
Okay.
I don't care.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely. I don't think we do enough of those, right? We've got, oh, somebody made 1,000. Oh, somebody made 2,000. I don't have a single video of people talking about making millions of dollars. I don't have anybody in here like, oh, I made $20 million. You guys realize I don't have a single post anywhere of any of that? Nothing, not one. We've had 10 millionaires. I have nobody on record on our videos talking about it, right? And we're like, oh, we don't get that many views. I'm telling you what, if I put my 10 millionaires on there showing how much money we've made, our view count and YouTube subscribers and my memberships would probably grow exponential. Am I right? Oh, that's amazing. But no, I don't post those. Has anybody else noticed that I don't have those posted anywhere? Anybody?
Yeah.
Yep. So, yeah. Love you guys. That's incredible. Wait, what a great way to start our day. Holy crap. That's incredible. I'm like, where do I go from here, right? Like, come on. Wow.
We talked about it for a good while yesterday afternoon, and we was all keeping it, save it for you for this morning, let him tell you.
Oh, yeah. Thank you, guys. That's incredible. Again, that's just absolutely amazing. If you guys are interested, though, in starting your own journey to be either retiring, right, or hell, just changing your life, finding another way to have an income. We've got a lot of people, obviously, that can retire. We've got people that now are multi-millionaires just from American Dream Trading. It's not going to happen to everybody. Obviously, all trades are risky. This is a very hard job that we have. It will test you beyond anything you've ever had, right? You heard Ted here last week talking about it took the first, 8 months before he was even profitable. And now he's, crushing it, making literally, what did he make yesterday? $20,000 or something? I mean, it is not an overnight success thing. So let's make that perfectly clear. Everything we do is risky, but guess what? So is driving to your 9-to-5 job. You're taking a risk every time you get in that car and you go somewhere, right? And I know that sounds stupid, Coach. Every time you get in a plane because you have to travel for business, you're taking a risk. I don't care what anybody says. Every time we click buy, we're taking a risk, right? I don't care how well thought out it was. I don't care if you've got stops in there. They can break. They can fall through the stop and lose more than you anticipated. We just try to do our best to, mitigate the damage. All things in life have risk. So you have to think about before going on this journey, are you willing to risk changing what you're doing now? Because that is what is going to happen. If you are in this room for any length of time at all, you will find out why we are different. You will want to be here, right? I always say people come, they sign up for the training, and they stay for the community. This is what we've built, is making sure we continue to help people. Why do you think our millionaires stay? Now, obviously, some of our millionaires have made so much money that they're just not thinking about trading anymore. I get it. Once you've made 10, 20, $30 million, you might not even be trading anymore, right? But they're buying businesses and land and right? They're doing crazy stuff out there, which is awesome, right? But think about it. So no matter how good they get, there's always more you can learn. I've been doing this about 32 years now. I still learn every day. Hell, I was in this morning. I'm like, I need to learn more. I need to educate myself more. I've got a training class. I got a mastermind class coming up. So guess what? I'm digging through my archives. I'm like, hey, we can do this, and this will help small accounts, and ooh, we can put this inside of here, right? That's all I was doing the last 4 hours before I went live. That's all I've been doing is working on our mastermind class, which, by the way, is March 6th. You do not have to be a member to get the mastermind class. It's $199 for 90 minutes. I hope that when you leave, it'll be the best 90 minutes you've ever spent in your life. Somebody asked this morning, Hamilton said, hey, what do you consider a small account? Listen, honestly, anything under $1 million is a small account. So I don't care if you have $100 to $1 million, right? This will be for you. I am going to put things in here that will, now obviously I'm going to have different levels, higher risk, higher reward, the lowest risk, the lowest reward, things in the middle, different options and strategies you can do, ways that we've traded, ways that I've made other people millions of dollars, and exactly how I trained them, exactly what I did, when we did it, how we did it. I'm going to walk you through all that. Mastermind class. I wish we had an amazing video for that. Maybe one of my creators can make something for it. We should have been advertising this the last couple months, but mastermind class, 199, March 6th. It's going to be, I'm telling you, it's going to blow your mind. So make sure you guys check that out. If you guys are interested in joining us, head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Don't worry, guys. I'll do the pre-market in just 1 second. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Monthly memberships start at $200. Make sure you guys get signed up for that. If you're a VIP Gold, by the way, you get the mastermind classes for free. So please don't buy both. Otherwise, I'm going to refund your money. So regular memberships, you'll get access to the Zoom, which, by the way, there's no delay. They're all open mics. 540 people are inside of this room right now. We are the only ones that trade live, train live, have open microphones. I'm starting to see some of the TikTokers and the YouTubers starting to copy what we're doing, but guess what? We're the OGs. We cannot be copied. You heard it here first, baby. So again, memberships, with that $200 Zoom class, you're going to get membership lounge access, training videos. You guys will get the IPO center, which we have new IPOs in there right now. Thank you to Callie. We have, I need my list out. I've got so many things I need to list now. Hold on. Hold on. Anytime you guys are interested in wanting to know what we have, go over to the new members, start here. There's a membership info.
Weekend training.
Yes, there we go. Access to paid members, Zoom, videos on demand, IPO center, hot stock picks, and the pre-market setup. For the VIP, you guys will get the daily masterclass training at 8:15, the pre-market Zoom, VIP lounge, hot stock picks, market trading ideas, the IPO center, videos on demand, the workshop classes, VIP training videos, trading view indicators, and VIP seating at the meetups. With the VIP Gold, which is everything, or as an add-on, excuse me, you guys will get breakout rooms when those are available, our brand new news service, VIP Gold help desk support, VIP Gold Lounge access, weekend training, which we've never offered before. Every single weekend you will get training, 1 hour of tech support if you need it, free mastermind classes, and right now we're throwing in a free one-on-one with a moderator. That's a $350 value. So if you guys are interested in any of those services, head on over, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Let's go ahead and do the pre-market setup right now. Bruno, are you available?
Yeah, Coach.
Thank you. Now, this is usually reserved for our paid members. I'm going to give you critical levels that we'll use throughout the day and at the bell. Just remember, all trades are risky. Use your stops on each and every trade. Here at American Dream Trading, myself and anybody else associated with us, none of us are financial tax or investment advisors. Everything we do is for training and education purposes only. Thank you. All right, here we go. Market ideas. Apple. Let's start with Apple here. Apple to the upside is going to be at 183.50. Apple to the downside is going to be at 183. Nice tight range right there for Apple today. AMD. Give me 1 second. Oh, right there. AMD above 178.26. Below 176.35. Amazon. Amazon above 1. We're going to move this up a little bit. 171. Or below 170. Tomorrow, just a heads up, all of my free members, I might not be here tomorrow. If that's the case, for all my paid members, you guys know, as always, the show will still go on. We will have moderators that will be running the group. Everybody that I have personally trained myself will be helping you out, so don't panic. Google. Oops, that one was way off. Hold on. No, that's right. There it is. Okay. 144.81 up. 144.35 down. Mara. 30 and 30 cents up. and 29.43 down. By the way, we're getting people in our regular membership lounges just throwing stock names out that are running or doing stuff. Let's not do that ever again. The problem with that is if somebody is a new member and they pop in that room and they see that you said, oh, fun to the moon, and they get in there and they get their ass handed to them because they didn't know how to trade it. They didn't know what it meant. They've never traded in the pre-market. You are going to cause problems for people. So I know you're trying to help by saying things are moving to the upside and stuff like that. Honestly, I would just rather wait for you guys to get the pre-market and then not trade, right? Especially if you're just a regular member. You shouldn't be trading pre-market. You have not been trained. So don't do that anymore. I will start warning people if you just throw up random stocks in the regular rooms. That is dangerous for everybody. Meta, 475.69 up, 475 down. This is not a call out Discord where nobody makes money and everybody gets their asses handed to them. This is for training. So once you understand how to trade in the market, then those make sense. So I hope that I'm very clear about that. Microsoft.
Thanks for protecting us, Coach. We appreciate it.
Yeah, absolutely. I don't want nobody getting burned up. That's not going to work. Microsoft, 410.77 up, 410.15 down. Yeah, that's not me just trying to be mean old man. I got to look out for everybody in this room. That's my job. Netflix, 5. Yeah, we're going to have to. 5. Holy crap. Look at it. It's going to break it right now. 584 up. 584 up. We got 8 minutes to the bell, so I could do some squirrely stuff. Or 582.41 down. NVIDIA. NVIDIA right here. 738.23 down. It's so funny saying that number for NVIDIA. It's so giant now, isn't it? 735.50 down. Oh my gosh, NVIDIA, you crazy, crazy person. The Qs.
I'm sorry, can you say that one more time for NVIDIA?
He just said it backwards. It was to the upside. The first number he called out, but I have it. I'll post it.
All right, thank you. Sorry about that. The Qs, 434.30 up, 433.75 down. Saxel, 30. Oh, nope, 40. Saxel, 40 up, right on the cusp, or 39.63 down. You can see it's sitting right on this edge, but the bell's about to ring, so might as well let it get some movement first. Remember, if any of these break the pre-market setup, give it 1 to 3 minutes. Let it work. Find out what it's going to do. If you're a new trader, do not trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. SPY upside 500. 500 even upside. I don't like it down here. Downside 499.33. Last one, Tesla. Tesla upside 190.50. I want to get in this one early, but we're going to do this. We haven't done this in a while. Let's do 189.80 as a caution area, but you could get in this to the downside, but a guarantee, right? Not guarantee, I shouldn't use that word. But looking better at 189.50. Strike that. There's no guarantees.
Did you say you're going to do Coinbase, Coach?
Wait, what?
I thought you said yesterday you were going to add Coinbase.
No, never.
Coach, can you check Meta, please?
Oh, yep.
Spread was really tight.
Yep. Meta is 475.69 up, 475 down.
Coach, can you do SMCI one more time?
Yep. Last time. And it's rocket ship. Please tell me you guys are still making money on that.
Yeah, I'm in on shares.
That is awesome.
There's analyst news of price target like 1,040.
Yeah, that's crazy. This morning, by the way, I had a dream of NVIDIA breaking 1,000. I was like, oh, SMCI 940.54. Don't ask me why I had that dream. Usually I don't. I haven't done that in a long time. Downside.
If that happened, coach, oh my gosh.
930.27 down. Nice job. All right, here we go. We are 4 minutes to the bell. Remember, let's have those call outs clear and concise today. Everybody, yeah, we got to be careful on the mic about calling the same things new high, unless it's something I am tracking. If I'm saying it, I'm tracking it, and we're probably trading it. Other than that, right, we just want to make sure we're calling out brand new 2-minute EWOs. If you guys see any runners, now listen, I know everybody likes to say to the moon and skyrocketing and all that. All we want to hear on the microphones, stock upside, right? I know we love all the buzzwords, but when people are hearing moon and right and all this other stuff, no, it's too hard for them to understand, right? Because same thing, if something halts, did it halt up or did it halt down? And we have to have that. All right, thank you guys.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Do you maybe want to add DTSS back to the hot stock picks while you were doing all the
is it running?
trucker stuff? It went from $8 off, shot all the way up to 11 something. So.
Yep, thank you. Let me check the volume. 853K volume. Yeah, I mean,
get a chance to get in there and say something. It was just taking off.
Yeah, Bruno, you can go ahead and add that. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, DTSS. We'll definitely be keeping an eye on it. For everybody else, keep an eye on DWAC today. DWAC. Keep an eye on DWAC and Fun for small accounts. PHUN. Not saying they're going to do anything. I'm just telling you guys, keep an eye on them, right? This is not a pump and dump type situation. Everything we call out is only for the same day. Make sure you guys have stops on each and every trade. Never lose more than 1 to 3% of your account value ever. If you have more than 2 red trading days in a row, stop using real money, walk away. If you're a brand new trader, again, don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Make sure you are using paper accounts or simulated money. Do not be blowing up your real money while you are learning. We want to make sure that you are training more and trade less. Make sure you have 1 to 5 trades per day. Anything more than that is going to start to become harder to manage. You're going to end up over trading, especially if you are a newer trader. If you guys have any questions or you want to join us at any time, again, it's always at American Dream Trader. I have 19 moderators standing by to help you. American Dream Trading, did I say trader? We have 19 moderators standing by to help you guys. So please make sure you come over, say hi in the stock lounge. That is a free area for you guys. I also have tons of ebooks, flashcards, games, how-to videos, stock terminology, candlesticks and patterns. Everything you need to get started for absolutely free is over there. If you guys would do me a favor, if you guys learn anything, you make any money today, head on over to Twitter, follow me, ADT Coach, all one word. Follow me over there, say something nice about American Dream Trading, and tag me, and I might follow you guys, right? Just depends on, I can't follow every bot account that has like one user type of thing. That will make me look bad. But so thank you guys again for joining us. We are 1 minute to the bell. This will get fast and furious. Congratulations again. Yesterday we had another $1 million day. That was absolutely phenomenal. Give me 1 second. I got to hydrate so we can get the energy level up, Dawn. Here we go. 30 seconds.
All right, handle your business.
That's right. 30 seconds, everybody. Everybody ready? We're going to hit the gates running, baby.
Yeah.
This reminds me of when I was a kid and I used to BMX race, right? And we'd get up on the gate and you'd put all your weight and you would lean forward on a downhill, ready for the gate to drop. And as soon as that gate dropped, baby, that's what we're about to do. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. Get ready, traders. Let's rock and roll. Love your faces. Everybody follow the rules. Don't go rogue on me. All right, let's see what's going on. Watching SPY right here. SPY is flat so far. Watch for everybody to collect money if it was to the upside on any stocks you're watching. Keep an eye on it.
DTSS is moving up.
DTSS, new hot stock pick. Thank you. Give me 1 second. I'm just setting up. Okay, there it goes. All right, now it's working. TradingView was delayed. That was weird. All right, NVIDIA's popping off to the upside here. Check out NVIDIA. Looks like DWAC is going to the upside. Nice. Everybody see it?
Stock DTSS cranking to the upside.
Yes, yes.
Push made a break to the upside, but it's an enormous green candle. I never seen that.
Okay, thank you.
AMD looking good to the upside.
Thank you. AMD to the upside. DTSS, new high a day. DTSS, SPY cranking to the moon here. It's going to the upside. DWAC.
Hot stock DXF is halted to the upside.
Oh, wow. First halt of the day. There it is. First halt of the day on a hot stock pick. We just started under 1 minute.
Arm upside quick.
Thank you. Yeah, ARM is taking off. Everybody see ARM? ARM is going for it, baby. Launching.
Tesla to the upside.
Tesla to the upside. Thank you.
Coach, with ARM, we determined that between SoftBank and some other investors, it's almost like a low float stock.
Gotcha.
Less
Thank
than
you.
9 million.
Nice, nice. Yeah, we'll see if that can get some movement.
Tesla's on a 2-minute EWL.
Thank you.
To the side.
Stock DTSS still surge up into the upside. You know.
DTSS 46%, still mooning. Let's go,
Coach,
baby. Yep.
thank you so much. Make $500 with 300 shares DTXS.
Yes.
DTSS. Thank you so much.
Nice job. Nice job. And thank you for whoever had us add that.
That was me. You're welcome now. That thing was just rocket ship.
Yeah, that's glorious. Thank you.
Google on your load there.
Thank you. DTSS continuing to climb. SPY to the upside. Check out SPY over there.
CHNR halted up.
Okay, thank you. DTSS on the pullback here. Be careful. Going to add in right here on DTSS. See if we can get a bounce off of VWAP. SPY continuing to go to the upside.
Tesla.
Thank you. Let's put this here. There we go. SPY's cranking up. I like it. Qs are pulling back. NVIDIA is now on a 2-minute EWO. I don't know if that's the first or second, but I'm seeing it up there right now. DTSS still hanging around VWAP right here.
Amazon first 2-minute green.
Thank you. Amazon first 2-minute green.
SMCI pulling.
SMCI to the downside. Is that what I heard?
NVIDIA first red, really pulling hard.
Oh, NVIDIA. Yep,
Pulling
pulling
really
hard.
hard.
Thank you.
Second green on coin.
Okay, thank
the
you.
upside.
Thank you. NVIDIA crashing out right here. That's the first we've seen that in a while, huh?
Stock NNOX 2-minute EWO to the upside.
Okay, thank you.
Hollow, large green candle to the upside.
Hello.
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 Tesla still going strong. You high day.
Thank you.
Hollow's taking off right now, yes.
Thank you.
Anybody know when DXF is on hold?
I don't have a time on it.
EXF is 35.39, so any sec.
Thank you.
Or 2-minute EWO to the upside.
Thank you.
SOXL first red EW.
Thank you. Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bog, bog.
SPY first green 2-minute, but it's a little weak.
Thank you.
Getting bigger.
JXJT halted to the downside.
Okay, thank you. I'm adding in here on DTSS. Oh, there we go. Come on. DTSS starting to make a nice move. See if we can get some volume and break that double top.
Meta new low day.
Meta new low day. Okay, thank you.
Fuse big pull.
Thank you.
Big 7, all of them pulling.
Former hot stock BMR halted way down to the downside.
Thank you.
Edison is first red EWO to the downside.
Thank you. Tried to quick scalp that DTSS. It could not get rid of all of them.
It's like DTSS is just bouncing off a line, or there's a resistance line there.
Yep, I see it. There it goes. DTSS.
Yeah, he's breaking.
Yep. There it goes. There it goes. Damn it. There it goes. Yes.
Thank you, Coach. I got it when you said to.
Yeah, nice job. Yeah, I was adding all the way in through this VWAP right here. And when I sold it, I was up $1,500 on the sale, and I think it ended up being flat. Because it was pulling back as it was trying to unload. I think I had 3,000 shares. Let me look. Yeah, I wound up with 3,700 shares. I kept adding on this VWAP. Ended up selling it for flat. Goodness gracious. That was beautiful. All right, DTSS up here on this double top. We'll see if we can get a break of that. SPY going to the upside following Apple. SPY
Tesla's had a little bit of a breathe back, but it's moving to the upside again.
Thank you. Let's see SPY if this can break 500. 500 is a major level of resistance for SPY.
CHAR halted down. I mean, not halted, it's unhalted and it's going down. Be careful, guys.
Okay.
Hey, Coach, on when you're shorting, do you just hit sell on the classic trade widget, or does it?
It says short. It'll say short.
Oh, so if it's not available to short, it won't have it?
That is correct. And make sure you can only short if you have a margin account as well.
Oh, okay. Never mind.
Yep.
Also, on paper, there is no short button, so you actually do have to just use the sell. Unfortunately, it's a jacked weighted to it.
All right, there you go. SPY.
Coach, FROG running to the upside. That was a earnings play from last night.
Yep, absolutely. Frog, FROG.
Meta's on a second red EWO, and it looks like there's some news about 3.7 billion UK mass action over market dominance. I'm not sure how new that news is. Reuters,
Okay.
934.
I'm on it. Thank you. And that was Meta?
Yes, Meta.
Okay.
934. There's some news came out on Reuters.
Yeah, I don't see anything. Damn it. I don't see anything on Benzinga. Let me check.
Apple broke pre-market to the upside, and it looks like it's holding pretty good.
Yep.
It's showing up on Webull.
Is it? Okay.
AMD on a 2-minute EWO, first candle to the downside.
Meta news. Let's see.
AMD sitting on resistance though.
Yeah, I don't see any
There's
news on
support
Meta.
right there.
That's salted down.
Don't forget, everybody, SPY has to break the 500, right? That's going to be a major level for it today. You guys see it? If that can rip, I'm ready with my cannons if that can break the 500. Everybody see it?
AMD second 2-minute on the downside, but it's holding on support.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. I'll see Spy
Yep.
with my little eye.
There she is.
See if it can break. What's up, DT?
Hey, Coach.
Did you go set yourself up with something real nice yesterday from your winnings?
I placed it where it should have been placed appropriately.
Oh, good
So
job.
yes,
Good job.
thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you again, everybody, for donating yesterday, tipping for our moderators. That was an awesome event. Love that. All right. So again, Spy dancing on the 500. If that breaks, it's going to be a massive pop, by the way. 500 is huge for Spy.
NVIDIA new low, Google new low.
Thank you.
Frog's flying, Coach.
Frog to the upside. Thank you.
Hey, calling you high.
Thank you.
I didn't know frogs could fly.
Yep, they are today. They are
4.5%.
Come on, Spy. Break that 500. I would love to see Spy break the 500 and just go ballistic. Wouldn't you guys?
Heck yeah, Coach.
Come on, Apple. Come on, Apple.
Yep.
Apple, drive them. Come on, Apple.
Yeah, it keeps waking through, but it won't hold.
No, it won't. Come on,
I think the
Apple.
problem is NVIDIA is not in the right direction.
Come on,
too.
Apple. Push it.
And I was going to say, Apple's doing the same thing. It keeps hitting its head on 184.
That's correct. Apple has to push.
Tesla.
Oh, you're breaking up.
Coach, I see that Apple in the 30 minutes has like a triple top. Is that something that we take into
Yes.
consideration?
Yes, absolutely. Yep. Absolutely.
Coach, Tesla's like holding my beer. Tesla the upside.
Come on, Spy. Bounce off this VWAP right here. It's all on Apple. You see how Apple's hinging up here? If you guys have our 2-minute EWO indicators, you know exactly what I'm talking about right now. If you don't, you're like, what? See it? All VIP members, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Check your Apple right here. See your upper band? Yeah, you do. Come on, Spy. I just want Spy to blast so it'll rebound this whole market. Let's go.
Tesla is blasting to the upside, new high day.
Yes, yes. That will help. I want this whole market to just pop. Spy still sitting here flat. Apple's pulling back. Come on.
Airbnb looks nice.
Thank you.
On its way up, sorry.
Thank you. Frog pulled back. 48.50 was its high. Spy cannot make a move here yet. It's channeling. Apple's pulling back. Tesla's still climbing, but Apple's pulling back off that ceiling. It's causing Spy to do the same thing. Spy's fading, crashing below VWAP.
Qualcomm, QCOM to the upside.
Thank you. Qualcomm to the upside. Thank you.
Google still crushing and burning, new lower day.
Thank you. Google still lights out.
I'm 112% on it.
Nice job.
Apple's still above VWAP, so let's see.
Yep. I'm watching Apple. I'm watching Spy here. Just want to see if those are going to hold up. And Tesla, Apple, right? They're holding the market up on a shoestring. Stay up there. Watching them close.
This morning.
There's conversations at 11 today. Come on, SPY. What are you going to do? SPY breaks VWAP. I'll be looking at calls right here. There it is. There it goes. That's bullish. Get it. We got a rebound on Apple off of VWAP. Nice setup right there. See if that can hold now. That was a good setup on SPY. It's got to stay. Todeki, go ahead.
Hey, I was just wondering, DTSS still on watch?
I have no idea. Let me look. It's you better be careful. It's under VWAP.
Okay, thank you.
Yep, but it's still hanging up tall. That's a bull flag. It still looks good over there, but just make sure you got to stop in place.
Okay, thanks.
Yep. All right. Still waiting on SPY. Still waiting on Apple. Tesla's still staying up. Apple's pulling back. Let's see.
Market is just heavy.
It really is. That's why I'm saying I'd love to see these pop, because since they've been dragged down and SPY hasn't been crippled by it, that means when they go green, SPY is going to go next level through the moon.
New high on Snap. Snap's been stair-stepping nicely all morning.
Thank you. There's SPY making money above VWAP. That was a nice trade. Look at, here we go. Here's 500 on SPY. Here we go. There we go. I'll take it right there. There's $1,500. Nice. Let me refresh, make sure. All right, so I ended up collecting $1,400 on the trade. I'm up $1,264 for the day. Very nice. Anybody else grab the SPY VWAP break right here when I did?
Yes, coach.
Thank you.
Yep.
Yep. Very nice. You're going to get a nice pop here with SPY. SPY should rip now.
Coach, I'm still in this thing. Should I stay or should I jump?
You should be shedding 50, 20, 20, 10.
I don't have the account for that. I only have 4.
Then shave
Contracts.
half. That's 2, right? Isn't that 50?
Oh, yes, sir.
There
Okay.
you go.
Thank you.
Yep. And now you get to collect half, and now that'll take a lot off the table. If it pulls back on you, you'll get rid of one more and let the last one ride, right?
Yes, sir.
Coach,
Thank you.
can you check PLCE is flying?
TLCE.
No, children, PLCE.
Oh, I got you. Yep. Yep, looks good. 88% PLCE. They must have had news. Did they have news?
I didn't check, not yet.
Check it. It's always the first thing we do, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Looking good, though. I like it. That's PLCE. Did that just halt? Oh, no, it's still going.
Disney new high day.
Disney new high a day.
Google new
I think it's halted.
Oh, it did.
Halted.
Yep, PLCE just halted to the upside. I just
Talks for new financing.
what was that?
Talks for new financing.
Got it. Thank you. I just I was able to sneak in 500 shares at the buzzer beater. Holding 500 shares of PLCE as soon
That's
as
the upside or downside, Coach?
As soon as it halted, I got that in there. So it did like
That's,
yesterday.
Halted up. Halted.
Shares. It halted to the upside. I bought 500 shares of PLCE. We'll see if it's got any more room.
Yeah, I just hate that amount of sell orders sitting there on the L2 at this level, though.
Yeah. Well, that's why I went in small at 500 shares, right?
Mara on 2-minute EWO.
To the what?
Upside.
There you go. Now we're cooking with gas. Thank you. All right, we'll put PLCE over here to watch. Let's see what else is going on. Nice, nice. Anybody making money today? Huh? Has anybody made any money yet so far? Talk to me.
Oh yeah.
Anybody?
$100 so far, Coach, today.
Nice job.
Yeah, Moderna's flying. mRNA.
Anybody else? One
Hey,
person made
Sentinel
money
Scout.
today?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Woke up in the green.
Okay, thank you.
Spy calls, making money.
Thank you.
Money on the cues.
Thank you. Now we're cooking.
Careful on that Mar to the upside. It's just right on the 200.
Thank you.
Yeah, I bought Google on the bottom down there. Coach.
Oh, nice job.
Yeah, Google was beautiful.
Massive amount of buy orders came in on PLC.
Oh, yeah. Anybody still in SPY making money?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
I'm in it, Coach. I got in. I never got out.
Oh, nice job.
Still riding it.
Nice, nice.
And at the open, basically.
Nice.
Hot stock pick, CHNR is flying.
Thank you.
Adding the SPY here.
Thank you.
Thoughts on the NVIDIA channel, Coach?
Give me 1 second. I'm actually setting up 1,000 shares on Moderna with a 20-cent trailing stop now. There it goes. Look at that. Look at that Moderna. I'm up $400 on that right now. I've got locked in a 20-cent trailing stop, which is looks like too tight, but I had to put something in. Okay, what was your question? Go ahead.
I was just going to ask you about the NVIDIA channel. It looked like it was going to break out and go up, and it did.
Let me take a look. Somebody let me know when PLCE is about to break. I do have shares in that, if you would, please, while I'm training. Let's see. Yeah, no, NVIDIA is set up right here for success. If you can get a break of VWAP, right? If you're scalping, the break of VWAP is your move with a stop below. If you're a 2-minute EWO trader, wait for the right setup. Yes? Thank you.
Coach, SMCI blowing through the roof, high of day.
Yes.
Almost.
Nice.
Copy that.
Nice, nice. Did I make
Apple
it?
first ready EWO.
Thank you. Nice. Looks like I made $600 on Moderna. My stop was too tight. It is what it is, but $600 I made on that trade. I'm up $1,893 for the day. Now waiting on PLCE to unhalt at 9:54:10. So it has less than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute. And congratulations, Ted and everybody else, on your SMCI. Beautiful. Ted working on his millionaire status. Am I right, Ted? Look at that double top pullback at SMCI.
Although, yeah.
Yeah, like, holy
You
crap.
jinxed me, man.
Yeah, oh, I'm sorry, dude. Holy crap. Look at that. Whoops. Jeez, oh,
Coach.
Pete.
CHNR suspended.
Hot stock pick, CHNR is halted up.
Thank you.
That's the second time it halted too.
Thank you. We're
Apple
watching.
just broke its
Between
bottom.
suspended and halted.
The difference is a halt is a normal raise. The stock market went up too fast. Oh, PLCE is live. PLCE is live. A suspend means the SEC has to look into it. PLCE is live. Selling my shares here. Boom.
Market's pulling really fast.
Just made $500 on PLCE.
You got out right before that drop, Coach.
That is
Got out immediately before that drop.
I know. That is now $2,300 for the day. Not bad.
Apple's on the 2-minute EWO downside.
Thank you. Yeah, PLCE. I ended up getting them at $29.23, and the sell order kicked off at $30.04. Very nice.
It's so exciting over there.
1,000 shares. Thank you. SMCI, that's a great spot to buy in right there. Do you see that, Ted? Yeah, you do. Ted, you seeing it?
I'm seeing I actually bought it on the last red candle.
Yeah, look at that. Right on the 200. If that can hold, if it can, of course, it's going to be in big trouble. But if that can hold, that is nice.
I bought in on April, so I'm fine.
Yeah, yeah.
Because look at Apple crashing fast.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Holy crap. It hit that top and lights out, huh?
Coach CE is running again.
Okay, thank you.
Is somebody speaking or something? Why is everything going down like that?
I don't know. Yeah, somebody's probably on the news somewhere saying something, right, partner? Tell him to shut up.
Do we not have a report that is supposed to come out today?
11 o'clock, I think a Fed's going to talk somewhere, but that's not now unless they're talking about what could possibly
I thought there
be
was
talking about.
something about government, something else like a security or an issue in the Middle East or war or some type of thing.
Could be. Watch some of the buzzwords, though. We're on live.
Coach, consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock.
Hey, Coach, I just scalped $500 off of SCMI off of that bounce you said.
Yes, nice job. Nice. Yeah, it's dangerous, right? Because we're sitting between the 200 and VWAP, right? So support is supposed to be the 200, but look at, I don't like how it's sitting here. So if you guys are going to do that, this is dangerous. Do you see how it's sitting on it too long? That's not a good look.
Yeah, I went in with 2 contracts and got in and out really quick.
Smart. You got to with these scalps, right? This isn't hang out all day unless it goes in your favor. If it continues to run in your favor, we leave it alone. But otherwise, we treat it as a scalp, right? It's scalp.
That's why I got 2. I was going to shed one and keep one if it went the right way.
Yep, absolutely. Smart play, smart trade, good job. Love your face. See how that stayed up there on that 200? That was nice. I was going to buy in there, but the spread is so huge, I won't touch it. The spread is huge.
Do we have an unhalt time on CHNR?
You bet your ass we do. It is 9:58:36, partner.
Thank you, sir.
You got it.
Apple looks like it's about to halt down. Jeez.
Oh, wow. What is going on? Wow.
I got in at the break of the pre-market to the downside.
Yes. Speaking of one of our other retirees, did you hear this morning, David?
Yes, sir. I heard it last night. Congratulated him, but we were trying to hold out so that he could tell you first.
Thank you, guys. That is so awesome to hear, man. I love that.
Hey, Coach, if
Yes.
you add to an order on the price ladder, do you know if it does a second stop loss and take profit, or if you uncheck it, will it just add to it?
It'll add to it if you uncheck it.
Sweet.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yeah, test it with 1, but that is how it's supposed to. Yep.
Okay. All right.
PLCE had another nice pop up there to that 32.17. I'm going to wait for the break of high if I end up trading into that. SMCI, as long as that stays above the 200, you're bullish. Otherwise, be careful because the whole market is tanking. It could cause all of our new favorite stocks to go right in the toilet, right?
Slide into the outside.
Interesting thing yesterday, Coach. SMCI, when NVIDIA tanks, SMCI held up top. So there's a lot of bullish sentiment for SMCI.
Yeah, that's beautiful. And those of you that are holding shares of SMCI, your covered calls are going to be astronomical.
Oh, I wish I had 100. I only have 50.
Time to get 50 more.
5th change.
Thank you.
And right there, Coach, I shaved 10 and I have 12 left because I don't like that wick.
Yeah, I see it. I'm right there with you, partner. Smart move. Because even if it goes in your favor, right? Okay, great. But why not take some, right?
Well, yeah, and then I got the contracts they were 86, and the 10 that I shaved were at 137.
Wow. Ted.
But I did get sort of burned on the top. I bought going up because we broke to the upside.
Yeah.
But I did sell off some in the profit. I sold some in the negative, but I ended up ahead on that overall trade to the top side.
Yeah, nice job. Beautiful trade. PLCE, new high a day. Ted,
CHR halted, and it's moving up still.
Ted at 80% on SMCI, $4,200 for next Friday. 100 shares. Whew.
I'm sorry, what's that?
$4,200 for an 80% covered call on SMCI for next Friday. Now 4,300. So that's $16,000 a month.
Wow. All right, I gotta do some finagling.
Yep, that's with 100K collateral.
PLCE halted to the up again.
Thank you, because I thought about buying 100 right now. It's 100 shares is 93,000. That's crazy. That is so much fat loots. Go ahead.
You had a question on Apple?
Oh, hold on. Hands up if you guys have a question.
Okay.
Please. It'll just
CHN are still going to the upside.
Thank you. PLCE halted to the upside again. Thank you for that call out on PLCE, by the way. All right, go ahead. Who had a question? I don't see a hand. Who had it?
Well, it was me. I hadn't figured out the hands up yet.
No, it's
I'm
okay.
looking out to middle January. Is this the triple bottom on Apple?
Let me look. And what time frame are you using?
So I'm looking at middle January through current.
What time? What?
Like a triple bottom around 182.
What time frame? 1 minute, 2 minute, 15 hour? What are we looking at?
Okay, I'm on 30 minute.
There you go. Thank you. Hold on. 30 minute.
SPY green 2 minute EWO.
Thank you. Yeah. I wouldn't worry about. I'm looking more at this from previous day. See it? This is a double bottom from previous day right here. So 182 is going to be a massive level. See it?
Yes, sir.
Yep. That's a big, big, big level for Apple. That should be the bounce. If it's going to bounce, it's right here, right? Right, David?
Yes, sir. I just saved another 5. I got 7 left.
There you go. Yeah, because seriously, if it's going to bounce, it would be here. And those of you that are scalping, you will scalp below 182. Those of you that are doing quick trades, scalping it to the upside, this is your chance off of 182. Did everybody hear that? Okay.
It's ridiculously hard trying to type everything while I'm trading, trying to keep everybody updated in the chat.
Welcome to my world, dude. Do you know how hard it is to train and trade and entertain and answer questions? And like, it's so hard.
Oh, yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. People are like, I don't know why a coach loses money when he trades, because this is not an easy job. Everybody else you see that is making money, they literally get to sit there and not talk to you, not answer your questions, not help you in any single way. So all they do is make money. That's it.
Painting a bedroom at the same time.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, this is
and building my storage in the backyard.
Yeah. Yeah, that's getting nice back there, dude. That's a nice setup you're gonna have.
Stop pick CHNR new high of day.
Thank you. Apple right here. Again, the break of 182. This is to the upside, scalpers. Otherwise, you need to place your stop below it, okay?
What's the on-hold time on PLCE, Coach?
It is 10:06 exactly, partner.
When this thing on hold.
CHNR just halted again. It's up 450%.
Okay.
CHNR is not halted.
Thanks. Sorry, go ahead. We were listening to you, Nate. Go ahead.
When this thing unholds, I should be over $250,000. Well, the last, I don't know how many trading days.
For the month, you'll be up $250,000 this month. Nice.
Yes. $1,300 out.
Nice. Nate getting it done. $250,000. Today's the 15th. It has been 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 11 days. 11 trading days, partner. You've made $250,000.
Yes.
Just another day at American Dream Trading.
That's a lot better than a 15th government check.
Absolutely.
For sure.
Hey, look at Apple. You see that break of 182?
Yep.
By the way, everybody. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
Well, no, I was just saying, I put in the chat that I'll shave more if we hold over the 182.50.
Oh yeah, yeah, 180. Yeah, I've got 182 was the mark. 22,727 is what Nate has made every day this month for the last 11 days. $22,700 every day that he's traded this month.
Tesla, you're high.
Thank you. Did
Wow,
anybody?
that is sick.
Yeah, that's amazing, right? Here it goes.
PLCHNR.
Hold on. PLCE is open. PLCE is live. PLCE still hanging up nice and tall here. That's going to break new high a day right there. It's trying. PLCE. Did anybody make any money off that Apple scalp of 182? It went all the way to 182.57. Please tell me you made money. That's a 50-cent move. That's a lot on Apple. There's new high a day on PLCE. Nicey nice. Very nice. Very nice. Looks like we had a new member just sign up for the mastermind class. Congratulations to you. I can't wait to work with you. That'll be amazing. Amazing.
CHNR halted to the top
All right. Thank you.
again.
Thank you. By the way, if anybody is interested in signing up for any of our memberships, go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Let me get that screen out of the way. Go to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Monthly memberships start at $200. Otherwise, you guys can get the VIP membership, $500 a month, or get it for a whole year right now on sale for $2,500. If you're an existing VIP member and you want to get all of the extra goodies, that is the VIP Gold add-on. Right now, it is $2,500 per year. So if you want to get both, $5,000 for the year includes everything we have. So if you guys are sitting on the fence, listening to the stories of literally we had somebody retire this morning. You can hear Nate has made right $250,000, right? So many people are doing so many different things inside of here. Ted, by the way, how is your month working out?
Working out well, Coach. I just bought in for another 50 on SMCI.
Oh, very nice. Ted, you should
So,
be way up this month, right?
Oh yeah, dude, I'm up over 200,000 for the year.
$200,000 this year for Ted. You guys
So
hear
I'm
that?
tracking for that millionaire club someday.
Absolutely. Absolutely. You will be there, right? You're heading in the right direction for sure. So again, if you guys are interested in joining, here it is, American Dream Trading. The door has been opened for you, right? I am a 30-plus year stock market trader and trainer. I trade over 100,000 people a day. We are the largest and fastest growing stock market education company in the country. We have been featured now on Inc. magazine over at Inc.com. Thank you guys again for that amazing article on us. We do all the things, right? We are rated we are the top, top 7 seller on our new platform. 6, it might be 6 now. We've only been there 4 months. We're ranked number 2 in all reviews for customer service. We are top 1% of their largest company they have, and we've been there 4 months. We do things here at American Dream Trading like nobody else does. You guys have joined the right team. Thank you for being here. But if you would do me a favor, make sure you click that follow or subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. We are live on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitch, Twitter, and of course, TikTok. So again, thank you. Follow me on all the things. We are trying to get our YouTube channel up to 10,000 subscribers. So help me out if you would. Head over there. We have over 2,000 videos. By the way, over the weekend, Carter added some more playlists. You guys definitely want to check that out. We are trying to break those up, make them easier for you to find. So Carter doing an awesome job. Don't forget, join us in the aftermarket. We're there every day at 4:30. So as soon as the market closes, we will be there. So please make sure you guys check out the aftermarket. We'll be there again on Monday, even though the stock market is closed. We will see all of you there. That'll be a good time. We're there every day. There's hundreds of us that are watching and hanging out and having fun and reviewing the trades of the day, the goods, the bads, and the uglies, while everybody's enjoying their Uncrustables. Apple right here above the 182. I do have a hand up, Mark. Go ahead.
Yeah, Coach, I got some MRO. I've been doing a wheel strategy on that. I'm looking to write a covered call on that for next week. Do you think the 2350 is a good spot to? I'm looking to get rid of the shares.
What stock?
It's pretty good. MRO. Well, it's up pretty good today.
All right, let's take a look, everybody. Learning moment. MRO. What's your average cost? Average cost, MRO.
Oh, I'm sorry, I muted myself. 22 a share.
22. Okay, so anything you write above 22, you are gold, and you want to look out for next week. Which delta are you planning on using?
2350.
What's the delta on that? Let me look.
Oh, I'm sorry.
37. Okay, so you only want to use it to collect premium instead of allowing the stock price to run to the upside to make more money. Is that your intention?
Yes, sir.
Then yeah, that's fine. Just remember, everybody, if you do that, you are capping yourself to the upside big time, right? Instead of using something like a 0.1 or a 0.15, where you're allowing yourself to make more money. So he is literally just strictly using it just to make the premium. Does everybody see the difference? All right, thank you. Great question.
Thank you.
Yep. Apple.
CHNR light into the upside.
Which one was it?
CHENR is flying away, guys.
Yeah, I was about to say that.
What is the symbol?
CHNR.
Okay, thank you. CHNR. Yep. Yep, be careful. There's resistance sitting somewhere right here. Apple, did anybody make money off the scalpel 182? It's done it twice.
Yeah, I did, Coach, twice.
Yep.
Thank you.
You got it. Nice job. Like I said, before it happened, if Apple is going to bounce, it will be at 182. What do you know? We were right.
Hot stock PLCE just halted to the upside.
Yeah. There it is.
I was going to ask, yep.
And I kept my stop instead of dumping it this time, so I'm still in it.
Oh, good job.
That's new for me.
Yes, great. Yeah, great job, man. Love it. Good job. Everybody be careful over there on that CHNR. Just because this 860 was resistance, you just want to watch and make sure it breaks. On the break of 860, you guys can go ahead and hammer that. Make sure you have a stop below that, though, okay? CHNR. Danny DeVito toes, because this is the first time that it's ran into trouble. Yes?
I have over 100% for the first time, Coach, in this one.
Yes, great job. Please tell me you are at least shedding or you have a tighter stop up there, right?
I got to stop.
Okay, good. Good job.
For smaller accounts, by the way, Snap look beautiful. It's near high day.
Thank you. Snap to the upside. PLCE. Nate, are you there?
Yeah, I'm still in it, Coach.
Nice. So you're now officially over $250,000 for this year or this month.
Yeah, I made another $1,500 above it.
There you go.
Looks like a big wall at 3501, so it may pull when it unhalts.
We'll see. Great job, Nate. Proud of you, buddy.
Coach? Coach?
Yeah, go ahead.
I was in CHNR after it stopped. I put an automatic trailing stop on it as it went up.
Smart.
I am up $1,500 on that.
Beautiful.
And now it's just dropped down. So a tight trailing stop made me $1,100 plus what I've already made. Thank you, Coach.
Yes, great job.
I'm listening to your voice and to Donna, I believe. 4 days green, since we had a little talk.
Oh, great job. Great job. Proud of you, man. Nice work.
Thank you.
All right, now, real quick, and then I'll get to you in 1 second, Cliff. I wanted to show you guys, right, in case you were like, what are you talking about? CHRN, coach, that's to the moon. Did you guys notice that I called this to be careful, that this right here was resistance, right? This was the first time you saw a red candle start to form. That's why we had to be careful of this. So hopefully I saved somebody somewhere, sometime, this move right here. Yes?
Yes, you did, Coach.
Yep.
Thank you.
Yep.
You saved me.
Wow. Coach and
Yeah, all those
stereophonics.
green candles were pretty suspicious, right?
What's that, Dad?
All those green candles were somewhat suspicious.
Yes, and that's why the first time you see an abnormal candle breaking the trend, you have to pay attention to it, right? Just like right now. Look at what it just did. You see how it just now stopped? This is a trend changer. See it? Whoosh. Now, it could be short, but right there. Does everybody see it? Yes?
Okay. I only saw it. I bought in.
Okay, there
Yes,
you go.
Coach.
Yep.
Can you check?
And put a stop just below it. Go ahead.
SIEN, hold it up. Can you check that stock, please?
SIEN. Yep. Let's
I'm
see.
sorry for interrupting.
No, you're fine.
You.
All right, we
sorry.
got Nate. We got a low floater situation over here. We got a SIEN. Boy, I bet you everybody's ears perked up. Do you guys remember when I used to do this for Jimmy every day?
Yeah, once you said name, it's like, whoa.
Yep, right.
I missed that.
Volume at 2.65 million, free float 10 million. This is a small floater. Let me check the news, see if anything's going on. I don't see anything on the news wire. Hold on, let me look.
SIEN alt.
Is this thing on?
You just said it was halted.
There it is. SIEN will unhalt at 10, 20, and 20 seconds. I'm checking the news wires. I've got no news on it, but we've got all the trimmings of
Looks like it filed for bankruptcy 2 days ago.
Did it? Okay, so we got all the trimmings right now of a potential blast off. Let me look.
Yes, we do.
Let's see. 55. 73. 62. 87. 99. There's our next setup moves for it. Right there. Everybody see him? Oh, yeah. That's juicy. That's juicy.
Eyes taken off. Broke the double top.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, Spy. Remember I told you guys 500 is the move. Did anybody scalp that off of 500?
May is also flying.
Anybody? Bueller?
I never left it.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Coach, AMD is on its first green EWO.
All right, thank you.
And it's breaking meanwhile.
Thank you. Spy is cranking. I told you 500 was going to be big. It's now at 554 cents.
Google first. Coach, can you check out Meta, please?
I would love nothing more to do than to check out Meta.
Is actually what that is. Hot stop pick SOUN to the upside.
Thank you. Meta looks good here, partner. Let me see if you've got what your next levels are. Hold on. Let me make sure. Yeah, Meta. Somebody want to kill that mic? Thank you, moderators. Meta, yeah, 479.50. And it broke that, so we're clear there. Let me look. Oh, right here.
I rejected it and went back down.
481 and 482 on Meta. Here's your next set of levels. Everybody see this? 479.50, 81, and 82. Wow, nice job, Arctic. I see everybody's posting your P&L. Make sure you guys post that every day. I love to read those. SIEN should be unhalting 10, 20, 20. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. SIEN. 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 10, 20, 20. 30 seconds SIEN. Danny DeVito toes. Make sure you have a trailing stop and or a stop on each and every trade. Don't care if it's shares or options. 5 seconds, ladies and gentlemen, on SIEN. Great potential here. We'll see what it wants to do. SIEN. It's loose. There it goes to the moon. Bye-bye, SIEN. It's out of here. SIEN. It is gone.
BHNR halted to the downside.
SIEN. Rocket ship, ladies and gentlemen. Do you see it? Please tell me you're listening to the sound of my voice. There's your first one, 55. I tried to buy I tried to buy 5,000 shares. The order did not fill. Still cranking to the moon. Please tell me you guys got in that. That's a 100% move right here. Still going.
Sorry, coach, made $1,000.
There you go. It's up $233. Still continuing to run. Here's your next level right here, 6229. It's trying to hang out in this area. Look at it. Checking the L2s. Watching sellers at 6.09. Be careful here. Careful. Collect. Shed, shed, shed. Choppy chop. Very nice. Beautiful. Nice work, everybody. Congratulations. Everybody should have made money on that. You were set up. You knew exactly what to do, and you knew exactly where it was going. That's what we do here. And thank you for riding at American Dream Trading.
I hope Josh got in up there at 60.
Yeah, Josh, did you make sure you got in at 61? Josh is like,
Sorry,
I can't
Josh,
wait.
I love you, man.
He's like, I can't wait to sell it when it hits VWAP. Love your face, Josh. We know we love you, man. Come on, we got to pick on people every now and then. You guys heard me pick on Christina the other day. Somebody's got to get it. Somebody's got to get
Calls
it.
on support. Calls on resistance.
Don't be careful, because somebody will use that.
Not my turn today. Not my turn today.
Nope.
That's good. That's a good thing. Thank you, Josh.
Yep, there you go. Thank you, Josh. And now that Christina has opened up her microphone, how are you doing, Christina?
Oh, Jesus.
Spotlight.
I'm doing fine, thank you. How are you, Coach?
Oh, I'm doing real nice. How's your trading going today, Christina? Spotlight.
It's going okay. It's going okay. I was trying to sell right now. You interrupted that, now I'm at a loss. I'm just playing. I'm actually doing okay.
Yay.
I'm in the middle of playing stuff out of Robinhood too, so I can switch everything over to Webull.
Okay.
Stop using Robinhood. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Good job. Oh, by the way, I completely forgot. I should probably talk about it. I have an extra Apple Vision Pro coming. I ordered, so I've got the base model, the 256. I've been using this for 8 days, I think I've had it. I'm going to sell it. It's over in my in the tech hardware area. So if you guys want an Apple Vision Pro, literally just used it the last couple of days because I have a bigger one that's coming. It should be here, I think, Tuesday. That is available for sale. So if you guys are interested, head on over to the hardware area. By the way, I'm going to tell you right now, I've been in all things VR. VR, AR, HoloLens, Google, doesn't matter. Every Quest, every system that has ever come out. I've got three Quests in here right now, right? Every HTC Vive, HTC Vive Pro, I don't care. I've had them all. This is the greatest piece of technology that's come out in 10 years, and I'm not exaggerating. And you guys know I love tech. I'm in tech. I live in tech. This is the greatest thing that has come out in 10 years. If you have a chance to go to Apple and demo it, I highly recommend the hell out of it. It has replaced my laptop, my iPad, and for the most part, my iPhone when I'm not sitting down there with my wife. I'm telling you right now, this is next level amazing. People are like, oh, but you can get the Quest. Okay, great. Listen, the Quest is awesome for VR gaming. Incredible. I love it for VR gaming. But if you're not going to game, so those 2 hours a week that you use it, it's going to sit right where all three of mine do, collecting dust until I want to play a video game. With your Apple Vision Pro, I use it for all of my work. All of my work. So I'm working, so it's productivity applications. I can have 10 apps open. I can put them anywhere I want. Last night I was watching, the hell was I watching last night? Oh, I was trying to watch the new, what the hell is it called? Marvels. Boy, that was terrible. But I was watching it in an IMAX theater over on my Lazy Boy while I was talking to everybody on Discord, doing my email, tweeting everything out, had my calendar open, and scheduling Zoom meetings. All in my Lazy Boy last night. It was crazy.
I'm exhausted just hearing all that. That's a lot of stuff at one time.
Greatest
That's
thing.
crazy.
It's the greatest thing that's ever happened to the universe. Go get it now.
Do you have the
Whoa! What the?
Can I say just one thing about those VR headsets, Coach?
Okay, go ahead.
Maybe since you're a tech guy, maybe you know. So I heard that with those VR headsets, it takes about 20 minutes, or maybe it was 2 days of wearing it. They can detect your eye movement and know what you're thinking and know how you think and know everything about you.
No, that's incorrect. No. Now,
I heard that they're planning ideas on who to vote for.
oh, jeez, here we go.
It was just based on like where your eyes move according to what's on the screen.
And it could. I mean, honestly, it could be right because that is how the fake people that you see on the streets, right? How they're like, how are you saying your words? Because it is based upon your eye movements. I mean, technically yes, but do we really give a shit? No. If you
no, I was just saying it was something I heard. I thought that was pretty
it could
interesting.
be. It
Because
could
there is
be.
a lie detector test now that actually does your the normal one and your eyes.
You got it.
Make sure you wear your foil hat.
Thank you. But
Yeah, I swear I looked right into it and I started speaking Russian.
But anyways, seriously, you guys, if you get a chance to go to an Apple store, do it. It's absolutely phenomenal. It will change your life. I'm not kidding. This is not something that. So everybody's like VR collects dust. This is not that. This is not that. Everybody that's talking shit about it is because they couldn't afford it. Trust me, it is not that at all. It's next level.
Zuckerberg's all pissed that his
extremely
product isn't moving.
upset.
Hey, Coach, you said that you bought the higher end one?
Yes.
Was the first one that you bought the lower end one?
Well, it's just storage wise, right? So the first one I bought is the 256, and then I went out and I bought the 1 terabyte at the same time. I rushed and got the 256 because I wanted to make sure I got it before they all sold out, which they did. And now you're on a 3-week waiting list or whatever to get this. So I bought it to make sure I had it immediately. But I wanted to start doing a ton of video capturing within the headset. You can do it with your iPhone 15 Pro Maxes, by the way. You can do the immersive video. It's not the same. I've recorded with my iPhone versus recording with my headset. It's not the same at all. What do I mean by that? I'm talking about full 4D, right, dimension. It's crazy. When I'm recording inside of my headset, like I recorded the other day, I had my dog in my lap. Well, then I can play it back later. It's all 3D, right? You say 4D because you can move around the 3D. But anyway, so we'll just say 3D. So when I recorded her in this immersive area, now like anytime, right? And this is why I'm doing it. Because if loved ones pass away, my dog passes away, she's getting really old, it literally looks and feels, which puts you in the emotion and the memory of exactly where you were when you did it. It puts me on my couch with her in my lap, me petting her head, and I can look around this in real time, and I swear to you, you will feel like it's the real thing. If I could have had this, right, when your kids are little, right, before like my grandparents passed, right, I want to do tons of it with my wife. If something happens to us, this alone, I'm not exaggerating, I would spend $1 million on this product. And I'm telling you right now, I would spend $1 million cash on this product. If nobody else had this product and this was the cost, I would spend it. The memories alone, even if you didn't want to work in it, even if you're like, well, I don't care, Coach, if it has a $50,000 IMAX theater that you can do your work on. Okay, just skip all that. The memories portion alone is worth everything to me. So that's why I want to get the 1 terabyte. I want to do tons of immersive recording videos. So that's just me. Nobody else really needs to do that because the applications don't take up that much space. But
Yeah, I think I did 512.
yeah, they just don't take up that much space at all. I think right now I'm using 20 gig of 256 on this base model. But I'm going to be doing massive videos with this thing. Yeah.
Does it have a? Can you store those type of videos off on like another drive and then access them through?
Yep.
So you don't have to have that. Okay.
You can, but if I record a 30-minute 3D video, 256 gig ain't going to work.
Yeah, true. Okay.
Yeah, it just won't hold the storage. But yeah, then you can iCloud it. But yeah, it won't hold it, right? So I don't want it to have to worry about that when I'm offloading and onloading. And for me, the extra $500, who gives a shit, right?
Coach, can you transfer that to iCloud?
Yes. Yep. That is correct. But again, you can't record into iCloud. But seriously, it's next level. You guys have to try it. Put this into perspective when people are complaining about price. I'm going to use this as the last example for tech nerds. The monitors in front of me costed me $2,300 each. Okay? This is $4,600 of monitors, just the two. Not my $3,300 MacBook, not my $2,000 iPad with all the goodies, nothing else. And I use all of these monitors the whole time we're working. Okay? So let's just put that out there. Let's just say the two monitors in front of me.
What size are those, Coach?
These are 49-inch Ultra OLED displays. Now again, $4,600 versus a headset that was $3,500. My $3,500 headset, I could have 40 of these monitors in better quality. It's 4K plus in each eye. So is it worth the money now or no?
Hey, Coach, what is it tethered to?
Does that? It's not tethered to anything. Does that make sense, everybody? Yes, I've tried the
Yes,
Quest.
Coach.
Yes, for Kryptonite 7, since you're brand new here, I have every Quest that there is right now within arm's reach. So you're wrong on all accounts. Again, anybody who thinks the Quest is anywhere near it, close to it, or worth it, you have no idea what you're talking about. The Quest is only for gaming. Yes, you can watch some videos on it. You can watch movies. We all have in the generic, right, movie player that's on there. Yes, we've all have. The pass-through is absolute dog shit on the Quest. It is garbage. I can walk around everywhere with my Quest, or I'm sorry, with the Apple Vision Pro, and I do it all the time. I literally grab the monitor, whatever room I go to, and it walks right with me. I put it right where I sit down, and I go, boop, there it is. Boom, 10 more monitors. I'm golden. You're not doing that at all with your hand controllers using your Quest products. It's not the same, partner. I've got my Apple touchpad, my trackpad, and keyboard next to me. I literally can set those on my lap. I'm full-blown working. That's it. Period. Point blank. That's it. Laptop is no more. It's trash.
And that's why Apple waited, and they did it right.
That's right. Yeah, now it's, so when you guys hear stuff, you heard it from me, and you guys know I have been in the leading cutting edge of all technology my whole life. I've owned every laptop, tablet, phone, gaming system, video card, headset. I don't give a shit what it was. I've owned every piece of equipment that's ever come out, ever. And I'm letting you know the facts from an actual expert in technology, not a YouTuber with the name Tech who reviews phones.
Hey, Coach, it hasn't been talked about, but the space augmented reality is still in the first inning, and this is the first move that even with your phone, you're going to be able to have an augmented reality. If you ever go on a tourist site, you'll be able to have like all sorts of information just popping out at you.
Absolutely. So Tim said, "Sounds cool. Are we trading or plugging products today?" Actually,
Hey,
Tim,
Coach.
since we've already made literally hundreds of thousands of dollars this morning, now we're just kind of off topic and we're having a little bit of fun. So if you don't want to have fun, see you tomorrow. Yeah, go ahead.
Can you check Tesla for me, please?
Oh, shit.
Sorry.
Oh, my God. Tesla's to
Now
the
by a walking platform.
Tesla's to the upside as long as it stays above 1.
Freedom.
Who gives a shit what Tesla's doing right now? You guys will be all right. We talked about Tesla for how many hours straight today? You've made millions of dollars. All right. Anyways.
Well, afterwards, Coach. What do you
Thank you, Coach.
Yeah, no problem.
He wants to play. Let him play for a little bit.
Yeah, it's all right. It's no big deal. I know I bore the shit out of you guys when I talk about advanced
No, you
strategies
don't,
and
Coach.
things
Stop
that you
it.
guys
Stop
can
it.
actually make money from and actually be more productive and change your lives. I know it's absolute dog shit to you because all you want to know is how do I make another $36? I understand.
We love you.
Love you too.
37.
38 now probably. If I know you.
Well,
guys.
you are making a great case for Apple that this is probably $1 trillion business in addition to what they already have.
Oh,
so.
absolutely. Yeah, think about it. We got WWDC coming up, right? Where they used to always just talk about software and applications for iPhone, iPads, and laptops. Well, guess what? Now you got Vision Pro, and it just came out, right? And by the way, there's millions of applications that you can use on the Vision Pro. So everybody's like, oh, there's only 600. That is incorrect. Every iPad app works on the Vision Pro. Every single iPad app that's ever come out works on the Vision Pro. This is a game changer. Now, here's what's crazy. So I can have all those monitors in front of me, right? If I want to take anything, and it doesn't have to be an iPad app, I can take anything. I can shrink it. I can put it right in front of me. You can make it any size you want. It doesn't matter. 200 feet, 6 feet, 6 inches. Doesn't matter. Once I do that, I can then take my hand and scroll on the virtual monitor. I can pinch to zoom. I can tap things. It literally acts like an iPad in space wherever I want to put them. I can have 3 things up and use every single one of them exactly like an iPad. Oh, Coach, well, then it's just an iPad. It's not. It's an iPad in my pocket anywhere I go with just my headset. I can put this anywhere. I can turn my iPad that was a 6-inch mini, 12.9-inch large, and I can put it on a 60-foot or 200-foot screen. Can you do that with your iPad? Because I bet your ass you can't. It don't turn into a transformer, right? This is new technology. And I know everybody just sees little kids skiing, driving cars, doing all sorts of stupid ass shit. That isn't what this is. That's not what this is. Now, this is, you could eventually, and by the way, you could remove the stupid front part of the screen that's on there, which I don't know why it's there. I have no idea. I don't know if that's for looks. Take out the part that's on the front that is also a display that shows your eyes and all this. Take all that shit off there, decrease the weight size, lower the cost. Immediately, you'll probably cut out an extra $600 to $800 on your R&D on the stupid front display. It'll be lighter. It'll be more comfortable. More people will buy it. There you go, Apple. Let me know when you do that. Thank you. Appreciate it. That'd be great.
Start calling you Tony Stark.
Oh, yeah. Trust me. I've lived in that life forever. Why do you guys think I love my Tesla now so much? Because it's all tech. I told my wife, this is everything I love. Because I've always bought super fast cars, Z06s and Vets, and I love fast cars. So it is now the fastest car in the world, has the greatest advanced technology in the world. It looks badass. When I open them Falcon doors, right, you definitely feel like, what the hell? Like futuristic. It's got every nerd bell and whistle inside of that car. Like it is my car. That car was built for me. It's like, welcome home, you big ass super giant nerd. And I'm like, thank you. It feels nice to be here. I'm like, daddy's home. I'm like, daddy's home.
I'm trying to say it's too tight of a channel to make money. That's all.
Yeah.
Speaking of tech and computer,
Speaking of making money, real quick, let me make you guys more money real quick.
Yeah, you are.
Yep, right here. Let me make you more money. You see Tesla? This is a go above 194.50. That is a go above 194.50 with your stop just below it. Why? Because this right here should have been support. It broke through support and it's holding. This could retest, but as long as it stays above 194.50, you are a go on a scalp. Thank you. Go ahead. We have hands up. Cliff, go ahead. Everybody else, go ahead and make money because, we also like to make millions of dollars in here.
Hey, so I just wanted to thank the pre-market and
No, I know how you've got started.
other stuff. So this past month, well, February 1st, I started with a $1,000 account and I'm sitting at 2,500. So I've, more than doubled it.
150, yeah, 150% in a month.
Yeah.
Nice job.
And it's partially, I had two major ones. I've been sick into the 2-minute EWO on options, but I just recently got into the pre-market stock or shares and CHN or whatever it is, CHRN, whatever it is today, just, added 15% to the account. So, thanks Nate and Mark and Dawn and everyone else who's in the pre-market. I'm listening, I'm learning.
Great job.
A new way, add to my toolkit because 2-minute EWO is cool, but I see myself going up and down. And if I look at my account overall, I probably have already made more money with shares.
There you go.
Instead of the options trading. So
absolutely. Absolutely. Yep. Rule number 1, everybody in the room. You are only, let me repeat this because it sounds like some new people have no idea. You are only supposed to trade shares. That's it. There you go. Let me help you out. Let me start from the very beginning. Everybody in this room, you all know that, right? You are only supposed to trade shares until you're an expert trader. I say it all the time. Yes?
Yes, sir, Coach.
Thank you.
Many times.
Thank you. So welcome and congratulations to you to using rule number 1, and now you're understanding you can make money on it. By the way, you just beat the S&P by 19 years.
Yeah, I've actually been in
19.
Or I entered when it was the 500 lifetime a long time ago. 2 years or something. And I made some money, but then lost a big amount, and then I'm working my way back up. But it was due to options trading that I haven't gotten anywhere. So gonna try the shares out for a bit.
Absolutely. Absolutely. This is why we laugh every single time somebody comes in our room and says, you can't make any money on shares. I'm like, really? Do you know how many millionaires, including Nate, I have made with shares only and Jimmy, right? You can make money. All my money today was on shares, $2,300, right? 4.6% of the account, shares. This is why I tell you, shares only until you're an expert.
I was able to stay in the trade for much longer because they were shares and they weren't so volatile with the dollar,
That's correct. That is correct.
Very often.
Yep. Tesla right here on VWAP. Congratulations, man. That is awesome. By the way, did you guys all hear? He's trading in the VIP room. Get your VIP membership now. I can't
Coach,
stress it enough.
I'm gone, Coach. For the ones that don't believe in shares, I did a little over 16,000 today just in shares.
There it is. Very nice. Good job, Nate. Proud of you, man.
Thank you.
Keep it up. Have an amazing day. I'm going to be signing off here too. Tesla, here's another bounce point on VWAP. These are scalps. These are not staying long. These are quick. If they go your way, let them run. Move your stops up. Shed when they get to critical areas. 50, 20, 20, 10. Listen, if you guys follow the actual rules and do what you're supposed to do, your accounts will be so much different. I'm telling you right now. And anybody who tells me you blew up your account, I already know you've broken the first 2 golden rules. The position size, and you lost more than 1 to 3% of your account. Do you guys realize if you did exactly what I said and you failed at trading every single day, it would take you over 2 years to lose your account? And guess what? I've only been here a year and a half, so nobody in this room should have ever been able to lose 100%. Do you know why? If you have 2 red trading days in a row, which is a total of 6% of your account, I tell you to take the next month off. If you took a month off and you came back and lost another 6%, now you're at 12%, take another month off. It would be impossible for anybody in this room to ever blow up your account if you listen to the frickin' sound of my voice and follow my rules. Thank you. Public service announcement. It would be
What?
impossible. It would literally be impossible. So stop with the nonsense. Listen to the sound of my voice. Follow the golden rules. Do what I say, and it will take you a lot farther. That'd be great.
I can vouch for that.
For real, it will stop the nonsense. People are like, oh, but I didn't. And no, nope, you're not following the rules. If you can't follow 6 or 7 rules, of course you can't trade. There's no way you're going to be able to trade. That'd be like going to your job and they literally, you must show up on time. You have to leave at this exact time for your lunch break. You have to clock out when you leave. That's 3 rules. You must follow, right, the rules of what we're doing in here. If I tell you that, right, you've got to finish this assignment by this time, that's 6 rules. You're like, oh, but I broke 2 of them. Well, you're fired. You can't do your job. You're fired. You suck. Right? So I'm looking at you all dead in your face. If you can't follow my 6 or 7 golden rules, you will fail. Period. I don't care what secret sauce you think you found. You must follow my 6 or 7 rules. Period. Do you understand? There's
If you're
no
not following the
exception.
motion.
There is no
Yeah.
exception to this rule ever.
And that means all the rules, Coach,
All
not
of them.
6 of the 7.
That's right. Yeah, it can't be. Well, I like these 4, but I'm not going to do that one.
Yeah, it's not an a la carte program.
No, it's not. And I'm serious. And it's not, again, it's not just me saying it. I've been doing this 30 plus years. These things matter. This stuff actually matters. It is the building block of what we do. That is why I spend the time talking about it. That's why I'm spending the time right now. I could be marketing my stuff. Hey, guess what, guys? I don't know if you know this or not, but the only way I make money is through memberships. I could be spending my time selling more memberships right now, right? I could not be talking about other things. I want to make sure you guys get to where you need to be, and you've got to start with just the basics. Start with the basics. Go from there. Use them as building blocks. By the way, if you guys are not finding any success on the 2-minute EWO, open your mouth, raise your hand, and I can probably fix it for you in under 6 seconds flat. I'll know by the first words that come out of your mouth in the first sentence, I can usually fix that for you in under 6 seconds. So if you are struggling, you can't find out what's going on, I already know. We have some very basic rules for the 2-minute EWO. It would be just like that. And I can tell you that 90% of all of you that are failing with a 2-minute EWO, position size. I talk about it every day. And I already know. And right now you're like, damn it. Yes, I'm talking to you because you can't hold when you're supposed to, right? And then the other part, not letting the runners run. You're not letting them make you a lot of money. You're stopping them out because you've had no success. Well, guess what? You're never going to find success because you're not letting it run. This isn't a scalp. This isn't get in and get out. This is let it run for 6.5 hours straight. Big differences in the room. Wow, I got 1 million hands up. Okay. I will answer these 4 questions and I'm out. G Celeste, go. Quick. It's time to go. Quick fire. Go, go, go. All right, Paul, go ahead.
Hey, Coach, my question was about your Apple glasses, if that's okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
So how do you like the what kind of battery life are you getting? And has your nerd brain come up with a better way to organize that battery yet?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. So the battery life is about 3 hours. I can get 4 hours usually if I'm just like watching movies and streaming stuff, if I'm not pushing it hard. So anywhere between 2 and 4 hours. But the crazy thing that nobody talks about, you can plug anything into it. I can plug it into the wall, the battery. I can plug in an extra battery pack in the other pocket. Usually what I'll do is I'll just leave my laptop closed next to it and plug it into my laptop. If I'm down on my couch, I just literally plug it into the outlet. So as long as I'm not physically moving where I have to just have a battery 2 to 4 hours, otherwise that'll run 24 hours a day. Just plugging it in. It's got another USB-C port on it. You can plug it into anything. They don't tell you that because they want to sell you an extra battery.
And by the way, I'm still doing good, but I follow all the rules now.
Good.
And I'm one of the ones that started out thinking I could follow 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, and you'll screw yourself. Don't do it. Follow all the rules. Study a lot before you put your money in this thing.
Absolutely. Thank you, Paul. I appreciate you, man. Steven, go ahead.
Yes, sir. I just wanted to say you're absolutely right about the stocks. So I've been doing options mainly for the past few months, and my success has been up and down 50%, and my losers were really bigger than my losses or than my winners. And this morning I went to trade pre-market. I been having some issues with my layout and everything, and how to adjust my orders to make them feel on the chart is better. So I worked out all those kinks, but this morning I had my settings still stop losses set. So I was trying to buy pre-market and it kept giving me errors, even though I had my boxes unchecked. It was checked in the settings as general rule. So just in mind for anyone else there, if you have that problem, you got to uncheck it in your actual normal used or whatever they call it.
Yeah.
And then you said the 2-minute EWO, you can figure that out in any second. Well, I don't have the VIP membership, so I don't have your EWO. And I always hear y'all call it out, and mine's never. Your guys is always 2 steps ahead of mine.
I gotcha. So
do you know the best one on TradingView that I could use?
Yeah, here's what we're gonna do is after I leave, I'm gonna have my moderators work with you and to help you with your charting, which will end up helping everybody. So as soon as I leave, just hang tight, raise your hand, and I'll have everybody work with you this afternoon, okay?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yep, you're very welcome. Stanley, go ahead.
What's up, Coach?
Hey, what's
up,
bro?
I just wanted to attest and further echo your statements about the VIP.
Yep.
The morning times at 4 a.m. Eastern, you get in here. I would want to say guaranteed, but it's almost a sure thing of finding something, and it's going to be a hot stock pick. This whole week has had at least one that's run more than $10 just on the stock.
Absolutely.
So I just want to, anybody that's not a VIP member, highly recommend it. It's going to change my life, and I've been doing this for a little while. It's pretty wild in that time, and you can be done before your family wakes up.
Oh, easily.
For the day.
Yeah, easily.
But I did. If I know you're quick, and I can just get with the aftermarket crew and go over this latest NVIDIA 2-minute EWO, because I was in it at 10:24, and I ended up getting out because I guess Theta was just eating me up and wicking back and forth. So I just ended up taking a profit, but jumped out early.
Gotcha. Yeah, we'll let the crew work with you on that for sure. But I do see it. I see exactly what you're talking about right here. Yep.
Yeah, but VIP Gold, do it.
Thank you, man. And by the way, thank you very much. And by the way, the people that are in there, right, Nate and everybody else, Ted and those guys, they were trained personally by me. Everything you are hearing in that room, it's just like having me in there in the morning, right? That's why they're moderators. That is literally like having me in the room 24. That's why we have so many people, and they've all worked with me, and most of them have received one-on-ones from me, and they all, right? This is why they're able to get the runners, and they see what's going on, and they know what to look for. This is why that VIP is awesome, because you guys get to work with people that have had real success. They followed exactly what I said, and they've been trained exactly by me and no one else. It's just like having a carbon copy in there. It's perfect.
Yep, that's a fact. And the only thing holding everybody back is themselves.
That is
so put the time in and get to work. It can be done.
Absolutely. Thank you. I appreciate it. And everybody's always like, oh, but it's so expensive. This is that broke mentality that you have to think about. This weekend, you will say, I cannot afford to go to VIP. I promise you there will be people right now, and you're listening to me, and you're like, I can't afford VIP. You will be the first ones to go get DoorDash. Broke-ass mindset. You will be the first ones, right, that will go out to eat instead of eating groceries at home. Broke-ass mindset, right? You will go buy a new phone when you didn't need one. Has it been 3 years plus? Do you really need a new phone? That is broke ass mindset. You should invest in yourself, whether it's me or somebody else or actual schooling or technical school or whatever, right, you're interested in. Invest in yourself. Stop with the broke ass mindset. It's all up here. Every time you keep saying, I can't afford, look at what you do in a week. Go see what you waste your money on. And now flip that shit and go, I can afford it. I choose not to better myself. I bet you if you put it in that perspective and you wrote it on your journal right now, you would flip the script and you would change as a person immediately. The second you wrote it in that journal, I am choosing not to better myself. Flip the script. Put yourself under your own spotlight and go, am I doing everything I can? And this isn't a hard sell for VIP. I don't give a shit. I mean, I'd love for you guys too, but this is not a hard sell. This goes for everything in your life. If you want to get better at your job, take training. If you want to get better at whatever skill it is, get better by buying into it. You want to get better at guitar? Get guitar lessons, right? It's very simple. Put the money, invest it in yourself, whatever that is, right? We're having relationship troubles. Hire somebody to help you. It doesn't matter what it is. Invest in yourself so that I'm telling you right now, the next time you go get a pack of cigarettes, the next time you go get coffee at Starbucks, or you want to get that 64-ounce right Diet Coke at the gas station every time you get a fill-up, you're pissing away your money while at the same time you're saying, I won't invest in myself. Broke ass mindset. Fix it. Fix yourself. Oh, coach is being mean again. Don't care. I want to help you in all things in your life, not just stock market trading. I want you to get better as a person, right? I try every day. Trust me, we're all human. We all do dumb shit. I do it the same every single day. Sorry, my dog's all over me. I know. I saw you limping. Yes, I know. You're a baby. But anyways, it starts with you. You need to invest in yourself, seriously. And I don't care if it's VIPs. Start with the free training, right? Those of you, same thing. If you say, oh, I don't have time, bullshit. I'm calling bullshit to every one of you. I don't care who you are. I don't care how many jobs you have. I don't care how many kids you're raising. I don't care what you're doing. You have time. And if you say you don't, you're lying to yourself and everybody else the second those words come out of your face. I don't give a shit. You are lying to everyone around you. If anybody ever tells you I don't have time, that is a flat out lie. You want to know how I know? Because if you turn on a TV, if you scroll on Twitter, if you do anything other than what you said you didn't have time for, all you are doing is choosing where your time goes. It is not you didn't have time. We all have time. I don't care what you say. Oh, I don't have time to work out. Oh, I don't have time to do this. Oh, I don't have time to bullshit all across the board. And I know this isn't great to hear, but I'm telling you as a coach from professional, semi-pro, D1, all the way down high school athletes, it's all about your effing mindset. So today, this is why I tell you in 2024, I'm going to sign out with this. I'm telling you in 2024, you have the tools to change your life. They're all around you. Hell, YouTube is free. TikTok is free. Find a skill, learn a skill, do something. I'm broke. Find a job. Get another job. Quit that job, move to another job. Find something else. Everything is free on the internet. Hell, all of my stuff can start you out for free. Do something to fix yourself today, but stop with the bullshit excuses every day. No one is coming to help you. You have to help yourself. That's it. I'm going to take off. The hands that are up, the rest of my moderation team will help you out. But seriously, start today. Start being honest with yourself. Put in that journal. I'm not allowing myself to do it because whatever is stopping you, put it in the journal. I don't have time to write in a journal. Lie. I don't have time to watch that video. Lie.
I just wanted to say that, Coach, real quick. Yep. You busted me on not having a journal the other day, last week, and I finally started it, and I've been doing it, and it's been actually beneficial.
Actually beneficial. See, that's awesome, Steven. Nice job.
Actually,
It actually works. That shit that
that's a ringing endorsement.
Yeah, that's
10 years I've been telling 10 years I've been telling myself I need to do this. And
Yes.
nah, I don't need it. And
I know. Trust me. But again, I know I'm getting on you guys, but I don't care. This is how it is, right? I am a real coach for you guys. Yes. Trust me, I've had to bust many a player's asses who were amazing at what they did, but they could be better. We can always be better, right? We can always get better, do better, behave better, be the light out there. So this is coming at you, from a real coach with real coaching experience, training hundreds of thousands of people, literally tens of thousands of people in real life, not just online, right? So again, I've worked with everybody, every spectrum of life you can imagine, every different personality types, billionaires down to the poorest people on the planet. I've worked with everybody in between. That's why I love all of you. This comes from a place of love. So when I'm busting your ass, I want you to take it to heart. I want you to think about it, right? Some of you will just be like, oh, he's going off again. Well, go ahead, ignore me. Next week, you'll ask me why you're not successful. Some of you be like, oh, all I want to hear about is a stock. Well, go ahead, because you're going to miss all the real golden nuggets. I can train anybody to do anything, but the advice and the wisdom that comes out of this community and the people that are talking in this room, you should listen to it. A lot of people have a lot of good things to say. All right, I'm out. Again, I probably won't be here tomorrow. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I don't know. We'll see. Every time I take a day off, I wind up with you guys all day anyways. So thank you to Bruno, Carter, Lee, Don, Paul at the beach, Miranda, Johan, and happily housewife, Eric's Moto, DT, the female trucker, Luke, Sidewalker, Kaizen, Jimmy, Brady, David, Mark, Nate, Ted, and Mark McSee. Look at NVIDIA crashing below 733. Everybody else have an amazing day. Thank you again to all my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We appreciate and honor you every day. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, and all my truck drivers around the world. Whoa, nice horn. There it is. Right on point. Thank you, my
Have a good weekend, Coach.
Yeah.
Thank you, Coach.
Appreciate you
We'll
guys.
see you tomorrow, Coach.
Love
Thank
you.
you for a long weekend.
Thank you, guys.
Take it all.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Coach, you have homework?
So yes, I'll post it in the membership lounge. Sorry about my long tech thing, but you guys know I'm a super nerd. You're just gonna get that. So while I'm making people millions of dollars, every once in a while you're gonna have to hear about my shit. I'm so sorry to disappoint. But hold on a minute. All this guy does is make millions of dollars, and then he wants to talk about shit.
Bullshit, Coach. It's just bullshit.
It really is. This guy sucks. All right, hold on. Here we go. Movie list. I'm going to tell you guys, and then I will post it. There we go. Hold on 1 second. All right, let's. My wife actually brought this up, so let's do this. Something a little different. Some of you will hate me, and some of you will love me for it. All right, it's going to be Get Him to the Greek this weekend. Get Him to the Greek. Absolutely hilarious show. I will post it, movie. I will post it in the membership lounge. Make sure you guys check it out. By the way, did you guys watch last week's homework? What did you think? Tell me.
Last week's homework was which one?
You guys tell me. It was the homework.
The Neighbors.
The Kung Fu.
Hustle, baby.
There it is. Kung Fu Hustle.
Best Kung Fu movie.
Was that
Get him to the
absolutely?
Greek.
Was it?
Get him to the Greek. Russell Brand. Is that the Russell Brand one?
Yes.
Oh my God! Stroke the furry wall.
Yes.
Oh my God! Thank you.
Yes.
I love it.
Yeah, the Jeffrey.
Yes. Stroke the furry wall.
Yes. Yes.
Love that. Thanks.
Absolutely. So anyways, Kung Fu Hustle, did you guys like it? Was that ridiculous and wild and what the hell and holy great?
You always say that.
Do you have more like this?
Yes, you guys will love it. All right, I'm out. Moderators, it's all on you now. I appreciate you. Love your faces. Bruno, are you in here ready to take over, or David or Don? Somebody in here? Bueller?
We got it, Coach.
All right, thank you. Let me see who is the moderator right now, or who's the host. It's Don. Okay, I'm out. Everybody be cool. I'll see you guys in the aftermarket.
Take all 4 days.
Peace. Love you too, man.
Thanks so
Everybody
much,
be well.
Coach.
Peace. Love you, Eric. Have a great weekend.
Thank you, Coach.
You got it.
Thank you tomorrow, Coach.
You got it.
Thanks, Coach.